Tecno has launched Spark 5 Pro, which is the successor of Spark 4, which was released last year. And in this video, I am going to do the unboxing and quick review of Spark 5 Pro. This phone has launched in two variants. One is 4 and 64GB and the other one is 4 and 128GB. The box is very colorful and looking very nice. And on the front of the box, the model number of Spark 5 Pro is mentioned and the punch hole display of the screen is shown here, which Tecno is considering the highlight of this device. If I see on the side, then there are some specifications like the screen size is 6.6 inches dot display, means the screen cutout for front camera. This mobile has got quad camera setup with 5000 mAh big battery, and the processor of this mobile is octa-core. And this phone is coming with the latest version of Android, which is Android Q. And this is a very positive point because in this low price range, Tecno has loaded this mobile with Android Q. Some more information is given on the back, like the front camera is 8 megapixel and the screen display is 720p. Now I am going to unbox it and remove its plastic. So on the top we have the mobile itself. So first see what other things we have got inside the box. We have some documentations and we have extra 1 month warranty card, which means the warranty is valid for 13 months. Below this we have the company provided silicone case and this is looking very good. And there is some design on the back side. And also there is a Manchester City logo printed at the bottom. The charger in the box is of 5 volts and 2 amperes, which means 10 watt charger. And if you are going to charge this mobile with this charger, then it is going to take quite some time as the battery is 5000 mAh. Earphones are also available in the box, and although it is of normal and standard quality, but at least it is available as some other companies are not even providing the earphones. Then we have the charging cable, which is micro USB, and there is our SIM tray ejector tool. Now let's take a look at the mobile itself. So on the side of this mobile there is a power button and the volume rockers. And on the bottom there is a charging port, speaker grill and 3.5mm jack for earphones. On the back side there is fingerprint sensor and the quad camera setup, which is coming with quad LED flashlight, and the Tecno name is mentioned as well. On the front we have 6.6 inches screen with a hole punch display, and in this price range it is really a highlight for this mobile. And there is also a LED flashlight on the front which you can use while taking selfies. The color of this mobile is seabed blue and it is looking very nice as there are some color gradients and green shade coming on its backside, as you can see. The power button of this mobile is also colored to differentiate it from the volume buttons. Now let's take a look at the SIM tray. So we have dual SIM card support and dedicated memory card support. So I do not find any reason for purchasing 128GB higher variant. Now I am going to set up this device and then we'll review its internal features. The screen quality is looking very nice as it is a very large display, and in this price range I do not have any complaints for the display. Also the brightness of this mobile can go up to 480 nits, so you should not be having any issues while using it in the sunlight. The screen to body ratio of this mobile is 90.2 as claimed by Tecno. However, actually as you can see there are some quite huge bottom and side bezels. There is also an option of dark theme mode. If you like it, then you can turn it on from the settings. And now I am going to check its fingerprint sensor, and I am expecting it to be very good and fast. And as you can see, it is very good, it is responsive, and it is opening the device as I am placing my finger on the sensor. There is also a face unlock feature in this mobile, but I do not find it a secure option, so I will not recommend it. There are some pre-installed applications and games which can be found inside your mobile, and if you do not find it interesting, then you can uninstall it. The processor in this device is Helio P20, and this is only suitable for normal day-to-day users, and the heavy games cannot be played on this mobile. However, if you want to play PUBG, then this can be played on this mobile with low settings and with some compromises. If I talk about the camera, then the main sensor is 16 megapixel, and then we have got 2 megapixel macro camera for taking close-up photos. And then we have depth sensor of 2 megapixel, which will be used for portrait shots. And this portrait shots are going to work on the objects as well because of the dedicated sensor. And finally, there is a VGA camera, which I think is there just for completing the quad camera numbers. I am attaching here some sample shots which I have taken from this back camera, and you can check out its quality. The software of this mobile is HiOS based on Android 10, and it is very much customizable with lots of features. So this is all from the unboxing video. If you like it, then please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, then consider subscribing.